In ProGrow, we have tried to follow a value chain approach, meaning that we have combined consciously research into agroecology, innovations in crop production, with market opportunities and the market's requirements for quality products, and studies into the governance of the value chains, meaning how do the products come from the farmers to the consumers. So there's clearly a need to make sure that the innovations we do in agroecology at the farm and field scale are sustained with the farmers because of their market relevance, their market access with their products. This is really difficult to continuously do that because agronomists tend to focus, and they should, on the crop production challenges and develop solutions for that. So we have had some success in maintaining the focus of the necessary market access to, but we clearly need to improve that approach in research and innovation. We want to practice more on that in future projects, because there's no reason to develop innovations for farmers and crops and livestock for that matter if there is no market access, either being no market or they don't achieve the quality that the market expects. So linked to that is the question of what are then really the research needs, the knowledge needs. And what we really would appreciate having as researchers is a clearly defined and negotiated research strategy for organic agriculture and food in East Africa, for example. It needs to be developed by the stakeholders, the end users themselves, perhaps led by the national organic agriculture movements, supported by researchers, but it needs to have the ownership of the stakeholders themselves in order to have the necessary credibility.